Meaning of rinse. Verb or noun. Rinse, verb, means to wash something quickly with clean water, usually to remove soap, dirt, or shampoo, without fully washing it again. Rinse, noun, is the act of doing this. Example sentences. Please rinse the dishes before putting them in the dishwasher. She rinsed her hair after using shampoo. I just need to rinse my hands. No soap this time. Rinse the vegetables under cold water before cooking them. He gave the cup a quick rinse and put it back. Short story. After a long day, Amma washed her face and rinsed it with cool water. She felt instantly refreshed. In the kitchen, she rinsed an apple, took a bite, and smiled. Sometimes a simple rinse is all you need to feel clean and ready again.